Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels, and in today's video I'm gonna play Zombie Tsunami. Let's start. Okay, I have 3 zombies here. Jump and get some coins. Oh, total of 16 coins. Oh, jump again. Eat. Then eat. So I have 2 telephone na. Payphone. 6 zombies. Jump. Jump and get some money. Have 34 coins. Jump again. 7 zombies. Eat again. Then skip a bomb. I have 3. Payphone 4. Oh, 8. 7 zombies. Then I miss it. I'm in Himalayas na. Oh my god. I lost 1, but I have 11 na. Then jump again. Then my zombie turned into ninjas. This ninjas is so very flexible. It can it can split the bomb into half and jump again, get coins. I have 84 coins now. Then I skip the bomb, but I cannot evade the bomb with the parachute. I'm on the Easter Island, and this is so shaky, and time by time I missed that coin. Bomb turned into coin. Oh, I was hit by a rushed car. It's some coins. Okay, so many bombs here. Oh, boom. Okay. Oh, I'm lost. I didn't notice that. Then are we gonna sell this? Okay, I have 22 brains. Okay, this is my task. Avoid 6-man bonus gold. Transform 1 bus into coins on left. And destroy 11 things with the dragon cries. Dragon upgrade 9F. Okay. So let's play again. I have 0 coins now. I have 4 payphones. Coins again. Okay, I have 5 coins. 5 coins and car. I 6 zombies na. Then 6. Oh, I need to eat more humans. Then I have 8 zombies. 9. And then jump. I have 7 payphone. Oh, I cannot eat the humans inside the airplane because I have only 10 zombies. Yan, another. Oh, I miss. Oh, sayang. And then I have 9. Ito yung pinakamahirap iwasan, itong mga rushed car nito tsaka airplane. So pag tsunami naman, so kung ano yung madaanan niya, mahihit mo na lahat. So may big chances na lumaki yung scores mo, then yung mga zombie mo. Ayan, extended na to, medyo matagal-tagal na. Okay. Oh, boom. So yan, mababawasan niya. Hirap tumalon dyan. Pag marami kang zombies, hirap niya i-maintain. Mababawasan siya kapag yung tatalon ka na yun. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Oops. Namatay. Nabawasan ako. Okay. Dami na namang rush. Ano ba yan? Okay. So yan. Dragon. Ito may fire ice to. Ay, hindi niya. Ay, nakaya naman niya. Ay, lumalabas tong air eh. Fire ice. Hindi niya kaya. 16 kasi kailangan doon. Yan, ito yung lumalabas sa kanya. Yan, nabawal. Ang bilis. Bilis mo, hindi siya ano. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Namatay ako doon. Namatay tayo doon, guys. So, kailangan ko bumili ng palitan na ito. Bibisit na ako dyan. Palitan natin ng fairy zombie. Replace lang natin. And then, we're gonna buy 2 hats. 3,500 and 4,000. Wizard hat and Russian hat. Nabawasan yung aking money. Nabawasan yung money natin, guys. So, I will play one more time. Another game. And I will finish my mission. I have 3 missions. Okay. You know, cute naman. Wizard heart. Okay, 11. Oops. Ay, 12 na. Okay, 13. I have 7 zombies. 8 na pala. Okay, yan na, yan na. Yan namin na naman yung coins natin. Oops. Okay. Tatalon. Basta pagtalon, pag hindi tama yung pagtalon mo, ay, na-skip ko. Ay, hindi yan. Ang bilis kasi. Bilis ng speed dito. Yan. Sayang. 7 lang yung zombie ko. Ito din airplane. Hindi ko na ano. Napatumba yung airplane. Then, ninja. Ito talagang ninja na to. Maganda to. Oops. Sige. Talon. And coins. Talon ulit. So, naka 40 na tayo. The payphone. Diba? Ito yung nagustuhan ko dito sa ninja eh. Mas maganda siyang gamitin. Kapag tatalon, ito mababawasan to. Ito nahihirapan ako dito. Hindi mo matansya kung may daan or wala. Or bangin. Kasi ang daming bomb. Oops. Ewan ko lang. Ayan. Okay. Oops. 4. Sayang yung tank na yan. Okay, talon pa. Talon, yun. Nasama na lahat. Napasama na. Ayun, nag-resurrect ako ng isa. Buti na lang, meron tayong fairy god bird. Fairy god bird. Okay, so kailangan natin magpadami ng zombies. At tatalo na naman tayo sa daan na maraming bomb. Okay. So 100 natin, 103 na yung coins natin, then 14 yung payphone. Okay, ano kaya itong mystery box na to? Balloon. Feeling ko mamamatay ako dito. Wala na. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. So I have 23. Then ito pa rin yung mga missions natin na kailangan natin tapusin. Send from 1 bus into coins, avoid 6 bombs with the bonus code, and destroy 6 cars using the dragon. Okay, papadami ulit tayo ng coins dito. Makabili tayo ng hats. 69 yung ating payphone. Cars ulit. Okay. Oops. Yan, may bomb. Ito na, nakakaloko yung bomb na yan. Yung sunod-sunod na bomb na yan. Yun. Nagkamali ako ng talon. Okay. Ito na naman. Ayun, nakaiwas tayo. Nasa Rushmore na tayo, guys. Nasa Rushmore. Bubulol ako. Nasa Rushmore. And yan, dragon ulit. Okay. So, sana makahit na tayo ng ano ba, nawala yung ulo eh. Okay. Yan, 4 eyes. Then, nabawasan tayo. 4 na lang yan. Wait. Okay. Talon. Ayun. So, naka 87 coins tayo. Napas na naman natin yung airplane. Tsaka yung tank. Wala kasi tayo ano eh. Walang yung zombie natin. 5 lang. Ito na nakakaano ito eh. Nakakabisit. Yan. Nasa beach na tayo. Medyo mabilis ang takbo dito. Yung speed. Okay. Naka 101 coins na tayo. Oops. Yan. Yan yung bomb na yan. Oops. Nabawasan tayo. Naging 6. Okay. Kailangan natin kumuha ng coins. Yan na naman tayo. Ay, yan. Wala na to. May isa na. Gold. Yan. May pag-asa pa tayo guys dito. Kasi pag golds, kung ano yung dumikit sa kanya, nagiging coins. Yan. Yun. Nakuha na natin yung isang mission. Yan. Ito maganda dito eh. Nagiging coins. Yan. Bumalik na naman sila. Hindi nga siya extended. Ang ganda kapag extended na yan. Next time, bibili ako ng extended version yan ng gold na yan para matagal-tagal. Wala na. Namatay na ako dyan. And then, lang natin si Perigod Bird. And na-resurrect tayo ng isa. Okay. Yan, may rush car na naman. Sunod-sunod. Wala na. Patay na tayo dyan. Hindi natin na-evade. Collect na natin. Then, we have another mission. Shake the device during an earthquake. When the road shakes. Okay. 27 brains. Okay. We have 18 payphone na. Then, we need to collect coins for zombies so we can eat the human inside the car. Same as this. And jump. Okay, may bangin. Okay. Tapos, ay, yan. Maano natin yung, ano na yan. Bus na yan. We have 11 zombies. We have 12. 13 na, 11 ulit. Yan. Nakuha natin yung isang mission. Okay, nag-resurrect ako ng isa. Nag-resurrect. Okay. Kailangan natin kumain ng maraming humans. Yan, hindi ko na-skip yung ito yung naka-skip dun sa sa bomb. May bomb na naman. Ayun, wala na. Awasan tayo. 3 na lang ating And then UFO. Ang kaganda sa UFO, kahit wala ka ng zombie, as long as may UFO, magkakaroon ka ng zombies. Nakatulad yan. Yan, namatay na, wala na ako zombies, pero may UFO pa rin yan. Ayan, so may chances pa na dadami pa yung zombies mo. 2 yung zombies ko dito. Yan, 3 na. Okay. Oops, dami nun na. So naging 8 na. Okay. Oops. Ang dami na. Sunod-sunod na. Ayan, naka 19 na tayo. Sana may isa pang payphone para ako lang, tatabad na akong mag-game. Ang palipas oras ko lang to. May mission, may dragon. Okay. Ang ganda talaga. Yun, nakakompleto na tayo. Destroy 11 things with the dragon. Then, hininto ko na. Then, collect na natin yung ating mission na natapos. Yung para sa Maki Brain Moonshine. Okay. Yeah, double na. We have 2,200 plus. Then, another mission. So, kukunin natin Octopus Tentacle Sorbet sa ating next vlog na lang. Yan lang po. Thanks for watching. If you stress reliever, gandang i-play.